Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see how much time you spend on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my phone, and first of all, of course, we have to open our TikTok application and we have to go to the TikTok setting, but before it, you can go to your profile first and then you can click on these three lines on the top right and just like these settings and privacy. Okay, and the settings and privacy, you can scroll down and click on the screen time, and here you will be able to monitor how much time you spend on TikTok. Just go to the summary and then you can check your time spent and TikTok opened right here. And this is my time spent on TikTok, and this is how many times I opened the TikTok application in this week. You can also select the week you want to monitor. Just click on this week, and then for example, I'm just going to monitor this week, and then we can click on done, and this is how much time I spent in this week. Alright guys, and that's how we can see how much time we spent on TikTok. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.